Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message that says this app has been blocked for your protection on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box. In the box, type regedit and press Enter. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Now, the registry editor will open. On the left side, navigate step by step to the following path. Go to HKey Local Machine, then Open Software, then Microsoft, and after that open Windows, then Current Version, then Policies, and finally click on System. Once you are inside the System folder, look at the right side. Find an option called Enable ELUA. Double-click on it. A small window will open. You will see a value set to 1. Change this value from 1 to 0, then click OK. After making this change, close the registry editor. Now restart your computer so the changes can take effect. After your system restarts, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Click to open it. Inside Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control. Then click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Here you will see a few options. Turn off the toggles in this section to disable the protection temporarily. Now try to open the app again. The error should no longer appear. Thanks for watching.